New into stock, we have a Land Rover Discovery 4. It's the 3-litre SD V6 HSE 5-door. It's a 2011 on a 61 plate. It has a full service history. It's 3 services so far, and we'll do another one before it goes out. MOT'd until September. We'll do another MOT as well. It's immaculate inside and out. It's finished in Stornoway grey metallic with almond leather. It's a 7-seat configuration, 3 rows of seats. The leather's unmarked. It really is a very, very nice car inside and out. The gear tunnel and the door cards are accentuated with black lacquer insets. It has 3 sunroofs. The sunroof above the driver is electric tilt and slide. They all have shade bands on. Automatic gearbox, 0-60 in 9 seconds. It'll do a top speed of 112 miles an hour and return in ideal conditions up to 34 miles per gallon. I'll just take you for a ride in it now. We have power folding door mirrors, tilt and slide glass roof, and then there's another glass panel over the middle row of seats and another one over the back. You've also got shade bands, rear privacy glass, 10 split spoke alloy wheels. It's automatic, electric windows. We've got 3-position electric memory seats, which also remember the position of the electric steering wheel, and also the electric door mirrors. The sat nav, Bluetooth hands-free. We have a large front central armrest here and 2 separately adjustable armrests for the driver and passenger. We've also got a refrigerated compartment there. That's for an old iPod by the look of it, or iPhone 4, but I'm sure you'd be able to get a new one for a new iPhone to play your music through the system. It has Harman Kardon speakers, which the sound is absolutely phenomenal. Just see. That's just the radio there, but CD or music from your iPod sounds absolutely tremendous. Put the nav back on. We've got heated seats, climate control, heated front screen, which is the best invention ever. We've also got, if I can find it, lumbar support, and you can fold the seats in to make them more comfortable. They contour to your back. Has a split tailgate. It's something like 70-30. The bottom part, or you can load your shopping in through the top. So the bottom of the tailgate is strong enough to sit on, and the top of the tailgate shields you from any rain if you're having a picnic or your sandwiches. Great engine, this 3-litre diesel. In fact, it's too good because I always go too fast. Wow, they're all out today. No vibrations through the steering wheel, or just shut that now, and it's pretty quiet in here. No tyre noise to speak of. Certainly no knocks from the suspension. Here we go. Xenon headlamps. It's got high pressure headlamp wash. The car is absolutely immaculate, as I keep saying. Getting a bit boring now, I'm sure, but it is. It's just lovely. We've got this black lacquer effect inset to the door cards and also the gear tunnel. I think it's a 6.5 inch screen here for the sat nav. On menu, you get your 4x4 info there, where the power's going to. Middle row of seats all fold forward. It will create a cavernous space for luggage. It's not dead flat. From behind the middle row of seats it's flat, but there's just about a 6-inch step to the back of the middle row of seats when they fold down. Just put the cruise on, get to 70 miles an hour. We're just a bit short then, but adjusting the speed with the button there, the plus button. There we go, 70. Around about 1900 revs. Rev counter on the left, we've got the your display panel in the center, and then speedo on the right. The display at the moment is showing your fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge, what gear you're in, your speed, what time it is, the outside temperature, which, believe it or not, is 15 degrees today in the UK, and it's also telling us the cruise control speed. As you can see, no wobbles. Aircon is nice and cold. We'll just check all the windows. Great seating position, the seats are very, very comfortable. Just lovely cars to drive. You can see over everything in front. Just soaks the bumps up with the air suspension. We've also got keyless entry and keyless ignition. Just as long as you've got the key in your pocket, if you open the handle, the door will open. The start button's here, and then when you get out, there's a little button on the door handle. If you just press that, it'll lock the car as well, and the mirrors will fold in. I always forget to talk when I come out in these. The ride is so nice. It's just a joy to be a passenger or drive one, especially on a day like today. But to be fair, they really come into their own in the winter, in the snow and the rain. You're on the motorway, you're above the spray, you can see what's happening to the cars in front of you, who's slowing down, if there's any trouble. Your cruise control on the left here, your telephone controls on the right, your wipers, light switch, indicators on the left here. Just here is the electric tilt and slide joystick. I must go on another Land Rover off-road day. Take my camera there and show you what these things can do. Easy to run away with you. You just don't feel like you're moving. .20-mile-an-hour limit along here. It feels like you're walking. You're welcome. Here we are back at the garage.